What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another drag strip event with the C8 Corvette. My friend right back there is PA driven. His name is Jake. He's got his 2006 Z06 to accompany us in the C8. We're gonna see what we can get out of this car. The last time we were at the track, we got an 11.6. and that was on relatively cold tires. It was only about 59 degrees that day. Today is closer to 80, so I feel like the tires are gonna stick a little bit better. Let's see what these cars can do. All right, guys, so here we are in the staging lanes. This is PA Driven's cammed Z06. He's got a couple other little things done to it. I'm curious to see what this thing will end up doing, but him and I are both pretty new to the whole drag strip scene, so I'm not assuming we're going to break any records here, but the C8 is going to go. Last time we were able to do 11.6, I believe, was our best. Like I said, that was at 59 degrees. Today's like 80, so I'm thinking the tires will do a little bit better at gripping, but we'll see. We're going to see what these guys are going to do. We're in the staging lanes now. We're going to get on this here pretty soon.
Holy crap, Jake, that thing is a freaking beast. Oh my god, guys, I did not think he was gonna do that. Holy crap. Jake, what the heck, man? That car is insane. Holy crap. Oh my god, those C8 just gripped and freaking flew, and the Z06 goes flying past me. What a freaking beast that thing is. I know you guys are here to see the C8, but my god, that Z06 is a freaking monster. Oh man, I gotta see what he did. I'm thinking I got 11.5, 11.6. He's got to be 11.2. Thank you. All right, I did 11.5, he did 11.3. 11.5, that's my best run so far. Awesome, awesome. 11.5 and he did 11.3. My god, is that car a beast? I can't wait to keep doing this, guys. The drag strip driving is so fun in these cars, it's not even funny. I gotta see what he did to get an 11.3. That's a manual too, obviously, and it's unbelievable.
Jake.
My heart's racing, my knees are weak.
Dude, you didn't even, did you launch it?
I think, I don't know. I don't know.
That was incredible. The whole time I'm going down the strip, I'm bragging about your car. I'm like, Jesus, is that thing a beast?
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun.
That was amazing. Because this gripped. Like last time I was here, like I told you, it was 59 degrees. I could hear the tire spinning. Yeah. This thing just gripped and shot. Like I knew it was going to be better than I did before.
Yeah, you're already faster.
Yeah, I did 11.5. Yeah. But this is 11.3. And I'm not sure if you launched it. I didn't see if you did or not.
I don't know. I did as best I could with my ability.
Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, you must have been shifting pretty well, because you beat me.
It was fun.
0.2 of a second, you're faster. Yeah, I thought for sure I was going to make it down at least the first time faster than you, but this car's a beast. I know it is.
It was fun, man. This is solid. It felt good too.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to do a couple more pulls. Hopefully we get like 5 or 6 more would be awesome. Yeah. So guys, looking at the numbers here, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. I'm in the left, Jake is in the right, and my reaction time was really bad because I was still kind of setting up launch control in the car. It takes too long to do it. I know I should set it up with the Z mode, but I haven't done that yet. The 60-foot time was 1.6 for me, and it was 1.9 for him. So that makes perfect sense, because the C8 is going to launch. It's going to out-launch the Z06, but at the end of the day, the bigger motor of the Z06 is going to end up bringing up its speed at the end, because, yeah, it's just a higher displacement, so it's going to end up catching up with me, and sure enough, it did. So even my 8th was 7.3 and his was 7.4, so I was still faster than him to that point. So the 8th mile is where he started to really catch up and pass me. He was at 100 miles an hour where I was still at 94. So the bigger engine here is going to just build its speed a lot faster, but this one's going to launch harder. All right, guys, so we are lined up to do one more run, me and Jake over there in the freaking crazy Z06 rocket. Look at that guy, he knows how to shift apparently, but we're gonna run this thing again and see what we can do. Hopefully I can beat 11.5 and he gets 11 flat.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. All right, let's do it. All right, so here comes the second run. We got the draggy set up here, courtesy of Jake. So we're gonna get a little bit of numbers up on that screen as well. What put this thing in track mode and turn off all performance traction race. See what we can do this time. All right, guys, here we go. See if we can do anything with the C8 as far as a burnout goes. It's kind of tough to warm up the tires in this car. Kind of going, so I'm thinking it's an axle. It makes the most sense because I know the axles on this are kind of weak, but
yeah, he's got like rear end.
Yeah, I don't see anything leaking here. It sounded like an axle. It could have been a differential though, to be honest with you. Something's broken.
Yeah, your pan and everything is so dry.
Yeah, we're gonna check the whole way down.
I don't see anything else on the. I don't see anything, but I definitely heard something sound like metal.
It's weird. I'm underneath it. They got a full pan under it. Like it's totally dry. I can't see any fluid at all.
Guys, not at all what you want to have happen. Is it definitely for mine?
Yeah, maybe parts of the shaft.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna have to deal with this one. God, not exactly what I wanted to have happen, but we'll deal with it. All right. She broke. Definitely axle. Is it? Is it on the
boot? You see the boot side, like moisture on it is torn.
Is it on the wheel side or the
differential side?
Okay. So definitely axle.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right. That's the best case scenario for this. Unfortunately, it still sucks. But I knew the axles are weak on this car, so. All right. We gotta get a new axle. All right, guys. Like I said, not the greatest end to a track day, but it happens. We knew the axles were weak on the C8 and the traction was really good today. I was running some good times until this one, and when it grips, something's got to give somewhere, and in this case it was the axles. Luckily not the transmission. So we're heading to the dealership, which will be Monday now, to see what's up. Sad day. She's almost ready to head over to the dealership. Yep, I'm definitely not feeling the greatest about this, but like I said, it does happen. It could be worse. It could be worse. All right, so here we are at the dealership, about to have the car dropped off. Hopefully, because it's the weekend, I'm not gonna be able to do a whole lot with it because no one's here at the dealership. It's literally empty. But hopefully they'll be able to order this part and get this done pretty quick because, you know, having the car down for a long period of time kind of sucks. So we'll see what happens. But this is where the story's going to end, I guess. We're going to drop it off and then we'll pick this up on Monday. How would you like to win this Corvette? It may be a lot easier than you may think. If you guys aren't familiar with my YouTube channel, it is called Horsepower Obsessed, and I just recently hit 50,000 subscribers, and because of that, I wanted to give back. All you have to do is go to my website, horsepowerobsessed.com, scroll down and click on the HPO merchandise section. Every $10 you spend is one entry to win this beautiful C5 Corvette. So right off the bat, we have the black diamond wheels, which gives the car an amazingly updated appearance. In the front end, we have the entire bumper and hood covered with XPEL paint protection thanks to our friends at Blackout Tinting. The rest of the car has been paint corrected and ceramic coated. So you are getting one of the best examples of what Chevy had to offer with Corvette with this specific car. If you want to follow along with the mods on this particular car until the deadline of the giveaway, check out my YouTube channel, Horsepower Obsessed, and make sure you get entered before October 12th, 2021 so you can possibly take this car home with you.